Kailangan mo ng community and here's why. Mag-grow ka, mai-stretch ka, matuturuan ka ng mas matured sa'yo, and opportunities will come to you. Magiging aware ka sa mga bagay na hindi mo pa alam. You will learn a lot at marami pang iba. Marami na ako nakasalumuhak na tao at bawat tao ay may sari-sariling gusto or hilig. Pero mas nag-focus ako sa isa, community na focus sa personal development. Binuo namin yung community nito together with Sir Teo. This community focus on content creation, growth, support system, and just to become better person. Yun ang focus ng community namin. Na-realize ko kasi before na kailangan ko ng community, wherein mag-grow ako as a person. I have met a lot of people, groups, circles in each different kind of hobbies or field. May sari-sarili kaming interest. But personal development is where I stick dahil connected ito sa personal interest ko. Dream, vision at marami pang iba. That's why I encourage you na magkaroon ka ng community related sa gusto mo or sa gusto mong i-pursue. Well, that's all for my day 79 on road to 10K per month and to be independent this year. See you tomorrow. Peace out.